your ABC 7 First Alert weather forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
Well, we start out the day with kind of a mix of sun and clouds, a daytime high that'll top out warm and steamy just as it did yesterday, and a morning temperature that's just a little bit cooler at 76 degrees, a 73-degree dew point. Southeast wind at about 3. A little bit cooler because of yesterday's showers and thunderstorms, kind of laying down a cooler bed of air to work with here. And as we move into the afternoon, we'll have enough sunshine around that really won't make all that much difference. 75 degrees in Wauchula, Arcadia at 76 in Myakka, Parrish, Bradenton. Lakewood Ranch at 77, so is Northport, 79 in Inglewood, 78 in Venison, 81 at Longboat Key. Really, as you look down the road, there are two and a half important things in the forecast. One is that today we'll have some average shower and thunderstorm chances at about 30% or so. They'll start near the coastline and then they'll move inland, though right now everything is very quiet on the Sun Coast. But tomorrow we have a chance at a little bit of drier air moving in. When that drier air moves in, I think we'll be able to reduce our rain chances fairly significantly. And by that, I mean we'll probably cut them in half. So tomorrow will probably be the best of the weekend days. On Sunday, the rain chances go up a lot, actually, maybe double or triple, because moisture will be returned and this high pressure ridge will lift north. We'll start to get an easterly wind flow, which will encourage the showers to be closer to our coast. So hot and humid with 100+ feels like temperature today because of all the humidity around, the afternoon thunderstorms, and a west wind pushing most of the thunderstorm activity into inland areas. Then a little drier tomorrow and a little wetter on Sunday. That's number one. Number two is the tropics. And we do have some activity out there that bears watching, particularly this tropical wave. Now, that's Harvey. Harvey is going to continue on a track that takes it toward Central America. So, of course, it's important if you have friends or relatives in the Windward Islands, or you are planning on heading there today or tomorrow, and also for Central America. Belize, particularly, could have a tropical storm. But this one is very important because it does have some potential for development, and it is on a forecast track where the models cluster across a solution that takes it pretty close to the southern tip of the state of Florida or to Cuba. So when of course, forecast track is in that zone during hurricane season, it causes us to kind of keep our eyes open and keep it in the back of our mind as we head into the weekend to find out what's going on with it. Now, it will have several issues that it will have to deal with. There's some dry air out ahead of it. There's some stronger upper level winds. But if the storm holds together and makes it into the areas around the Bahamas by Sunday, it could develop further. It may be called Irma. We'll keep an eye on it. And then the last thing in the forecast that I think is of importance is, of course, the eclipse coming up. For today, a northwest wind at about 10 knots. We'll be looking at a light chop with 2-foot seas. And on Eclipse Monday, we'll probably have an increase in cloud cover and rain chances. And just like on Sunday, those showers will be occurring closer to the coast. So for eclipse viewing, I think it'll probably be intermittent, we'll call it. Back to you.